What's up everybody, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. I've not said that in a long time. Last time I filmed, I think it was March 2018. And now it is March 2019. Anyway, so basically I moved to an entirely different state. So that's kind of why I've been gone, you know, because when you move, you have to make new friends, go to a new school, get a new house, and that's kind of difficult. I'm finally like settled into my new place and I'm really happy here, and I'm finally ready to start making videos again. So get ready for some new content. When you move, you have to get a new room, and that's actually what this video is about, because I had to get a new room, obviously, and I got decorated and I had to put a lot of time into it. And so today I'm going to be doing a room tour for you guys. And if you guys want to see like a house tour or any kind of video like that, give this video a big thumbs up to let me know, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. And also, I want to do a little quick PSA. I'm not going to do slime anymore, so I'm probably going to change my name. The reasoning behind that is honestly just I'm kind of bored of it. Like, I've done it. It's been like, I don't know. So I'm going to try to spice this channel up a little bit and do some more fun things. So get tuned for that, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so this is a little entryway before my room. Right here I have a staircase, you know where to go down the stairs. And then I have a little table, it's a side table I guess. But yeah, let's go to my room. Okay, so right as you like walk into my room, straightforward is my closet. We'll get into that later. And then to the right is my bathroom. I actually share a Jack and Jill with my sister. And then here is my mirror. So I don't really know where I got this from because I got it for my birthday. But I know I love this mirror. And it opens up. So this is where I kind of just keep a lot of my jewelry. It's really nice and handy. So shifting over here, we have some light switches, you know, very handy. And then here is my acoustic guitar. I started guitar around 3 months ago, so I'm kind of new at it, but I really love guitar. I just got a new guitar strap. Pretty cool. So that's my guitar. Then right here I have a candle warmer. So it's basically electric, and you put a little wax cube into it, and so instead of having an open flame, you just like put a cube in here. There's a light bulb, and it makes the room smell good. So that's good. And then over here, we have this like, I don't know what to call this. Online they call this a buffet. I'm just gonna call it a buffet. I don't really know. I have this like white buffet thing. It has 3 stories, and looking right here, I have this little picture, and then I have this candle. I think this is from Pottery Barn, and then I just got this from Target, and then I put in some mini bath bombs. Shifting over here, I have this circular like mirror. I really love this. It kind of just like ties in the gold into my room, and I'm pretty sure that's from Target. And then over this way, I have this little sign for my aunt. It says "Welcome to Meg's room" because I'm basic and I don't know what to put here. And then I have a pineapple from Hobby Lobby, I think, and then a Polaroid camera. And then on the second floor, I just have some random boxes down there for storage. And over this way, I have myself a little like chair corner. I don't really know what to call this. Love this though. This is from Pottery Barn Outlets, I believe. And then this is from Walmart, this rug. And then this is from Pottery Barn Outlets as well. And then when you come up here on the wall, I have this bulletin board. I love bulletin boards. I have like a book list. I have a bunch of like just family pictures basically. And I really like it. I think that's from Pottery Barn Outlets as well. So when you shift over here, I have a big window. Have some like blanks. I think these are from JocelynMaine.com. And then I have just like some markers over here and some random stuff over here. Yeah. And then over here we have a little end table right off my bed. And you know, I have a lamp from Target. This from Target as well. And then I have a Kate Spade purse. I think my great aunt gave this to me. Yeah, really love it. And then I have a little like Paris Eiffel Tower thing from Walmart. And then the part where no one ever shows in a room tour, the junk drawer. Let's go into here for a minute. So I'm actually going to be open with you guys because, I mean, we all have a junk drawer. Let's be real here. So let me just show you what's in my junk drawer. We got some like tacks, you know, scissors, stuffed animals or whatever. Some candle warmers, fake money. I don't even know. So yeah, that's my embarrassing junk drawer. Want to be unfiltered with y'all. And over here I have my bed. I love my bed so much because that's where I get to sleep. Everyone's favorite activity. First thing on my bed is this like pink comforter. I got this from Target. Then I have this anchor pillow. Got this from Pottery Barn outlets. And then I got these pillows from Walmart. And then this like pillow cover, what goes with this from Target. And then I just have some white pillows. Then I have this headboard from xoxo.com. And then I have these two really pretty pictures that I put up, I think, only like 2 weeks ago from Target. So yeah. Okay, so on the other side of my bed is another end table. Same lamp from Target. Then I have a ring kind of jewelry holder from Home Goods, and then flowers from Home Goods as well. And then I have this little stationery kind of notebook thing, journal from Walmart. Right off my end table, we have the attic. It kind of sucks how I have the attic like right off my room, but I mean, no one goes in it. So there's just the attic. Yeah, there's the attic. And then over here I have my dresser. I'm not sure where I got this from because my mom had it when she was growing up, and then we had it at our old house, and now we have it here. So I'm not really sure where we got it from. We just kind of like spray painted these gold to match. And then here we have a baptism prayer. And then like some little teacup for my grandma, which I keep like necklaces and guitar picks, and then I have a little candle thing. Then right here, this frame is from IKEA, and then I filled this up with papers, kind of designs from Hobby Lobby, just like random pictures in there. Then over here, you know, I got some lights and a little angel thing, and then my trash can. And so in here, I just kind of keep athletic clothes, pajamas, shorts, and jeans, basically. Yeah. And so then coming into my closet area, I'm going to move back around. My light's on. Okay. So here's my closet. On my door, I actually have some medals from like sports and stuff. I don't really know why they're there, but they're there. It's kind of tight. It's not very wide, but I just have a bunch of like socks and stuff right there. And then over here, all of my just kind of casual tops, long sleeve shirts, and then coming back, we have some like jackets, and then dresses, and then I have my shoe rack over here. It's very narrow. It's very hard to film in here. Shoe rack. So kind of my closet, not very interesting. Okay, so going into my bathroom, which I share with my sister, we have the toilet. Very interesting. Not really sure where I got this from. And then I have some tissues, picture of me and my dog Buster, and then I have just some flowers or whatever. So yeah. And then moving over here, this is my section. Got a huge mirror, love that. Yeah. And then right here, I just have some like jewelry holders. So then when I'm ready, I kind of just throw some jewelry there, candle, soap, and then some Bath and Body Works stuff. These are my drawers. I'm not gonna go through those because those are extra messy. And then here we keep like our makeup, our cleansers, some like hairsprays. We keep some face masks in there, towels, hair stuff. This is my sister's section. I'm not gonna go on that because this is her section. And in here is actually kind of our it's our towel / utility closet. It's pretty messy.
There's work getting done in there.
Yeah, but it's really messy is the jig. So yeah. So right here we have some kind of like blue rugs or flower butterflies. Not really sure, but I love them. And then we have my sister's robe. And then the shower, very interesting. And then we have my robe over there, which you can't really see. That is all that's in my room. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And